Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to install and use EZView, the mobile app that lets you watch your camera system on your phone. First, open up your App Store and download the app. Again, it's called EZView. Here it is. It'll look like this. Go ahead and download it. Once it's done, open it up, swipe through these few screens, and press Get Started Now. Agree to the privacy policy. Select the phone number option and type in the phone number connected to your account. If you don't know this, you can contact us and we'll be happy to provide it for you. Then type in the password. Again, we can provide this for you if you forgot. And press Login. Then you can tap the menu at the top left and select Devices. Here you'll see a list of all the devices connected to your account. Click the one you want to see and then Start Live View. Now you can see the cameras. You can double click a camera to make it larger. You can also click this button here to change how many cameras you see at once. If it's a PTZ or movable camera like this one is, you'll see a PTZ button at the bottom, right here. Once you've clicked that button, you can tap the edge of the screen in the direction you want to move. You can also use the zoom feature with this button here. Use the plus button to zoom in, the minus button to zoom out. Go back to the menu at the top left corner and select Devices again. If you have a DVR at another location or you want to watch somebody else's cameras, we can add them to this list here and you can switch between devices. And that should complete this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always contact us and we'll be happy to help.